Good morning, dear students. In previous lecture, we have discussed the transpose of the matrix, some theorem based on the transpose of the matrix. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss some problem based on the transpose of the matrix from your NCERT textbook from exercise 3.3. So, let us see some problems from exercise 3.3. In 3.3, the problem number 1 is, let us see. Question number 1. We are given some matrices and we have to find the transpose of that matrices. First matrix is given 5, 1 upon 2, minus 1. Now we have to tell the transpose, right? To find the transpose, just interchanging rows and columns. 5, 1 by 2 minus 1. Its row, its column becomes its row. That's all. This is your answer. See the some more problem. Second part, 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Now its transpose is what? First row is what? 1 minus 1. So it becomes the first column. Second row is what? 2, 3. So second column is 2, 3. This is your answer. Right? See the third part. Minus 1, 5, 6, root 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, minus 1. इसका जब आप ट्रांसपोज लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? देखो फर्स्ट रो क्या है? माइनस 1, 5, 6. सो इट बिकम्स द फर्स्ट कॉलम. माइनस 1, 5, 6. सेकेंड रो रूट 3, 5, 6. सो सेकेंड कॉलम इज व्हाट? रूट 3, 5, 6. 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. This is the method how will we take the transpose of a given matrix. Now come to the next problem. Question number 2. In question number 2, we are given the two matrices A and B as follows. We have to prove that A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. For proving this result, first of all, we have to find A plus B. So A plus B is what? Just add the corresponding entries. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. 2, 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 5, 1, 6. 7, 2, 9. 9, 0, 9. Minus 2, 1, minus 1. 1, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. Let us take the transpose. A plus B dash is what? Its first row is minus 5, 3, minus 2. So its first column is minus 5, 3, minus 2. Second row is 6, 9, 9. It becomes the second column. Third row is minus 1, 4, 2. So it becomes the third column. Minus 1, 4, 2. This is the value of transpose of A plus B. Now let us find the RHS. A dash plus B dash. A dash is what? Minus 1, 2, 3. 5, 7, 9. Minus 2, 1, 1. B dash is what? Minus 4, 1, minus 5. B dash. We have to take the transpose. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Let us add these two matrices. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. 5, 1, 6. Minus 2, 1, minus 1. 2, 1, 3. 7, 2, 9. 1, 3, 4. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 9, 0, 9. And 1, 1, 1, 2. See, this matrix and this matrix is same. In this way, this result is verified. A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Similarly, you can verify this result. A minus B dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. This is the second part which you have to verify. You can do it your own. Now, see the problem number 3rd. In problem number 3rd, you are given two matrices such that A dash is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. B is equal to this. Now we have to prove that A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. This is the first part. This is same as question number 2. So you can do it your own. Now I am solving the second part of this question. In second part, we have to verify A minus B dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. To verify this part, we have to find the value of A, because A dash is given, A is not given. See carefully. A dash is given, not A is given. So what will be the value of A? The value of A is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Now let us find A minus B. A minus B is what? 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. Minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let us take minus 3, minus plus 4 हो गया बेटा, minus 1 और minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 3, minus 2. This is the value of A minus B, but we have to find the value of A minus B dash. So let us find the value of A minus B dash. A minus B dash is equal to 4, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now let us calculate the RHS. A dash minus B dash. A dash is what? 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Take the transpose of B, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Now subtract 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2. See, this matrix and this matrix is same. In this way, this result is verified. Right? Now see the next problem, problem number 4. In problem number 4, you are given two matrices such that A dash is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 2. We have to find the value of A plus 2B dash. So, for finding this value, we have to find A first. A is what? A dash dash. Minus 2, 3, 1, 2. This is the value of A. Now, find the value of A plus 2B. Minus 2, 1, 3, 2. Value of 2B is what? Multiply each entry of B by 2. Minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Add these matrices. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. 1, 0, 1. 3, 2, 5. 2, 4, 6. Right? Now, you have to find the value of the transpose A plus 2B dash. First row is what? Minus 4, 1. So, it becomes the first column. Second row is what? 5, 6. So, it becomes the second column. This is the required answer. Now, see the next problem. Problem number 5. In problem number 5, we are given two matrices A and B such that A is equal to 1 minus 4, 3. B is equal to minus 1, 2, 1. We have to verify this result. Transpose of AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. This is called reversal law of the transpose. What? Reversal law of transpose. Right? This is called the reversal law. We have to verify this law by using these two matrices A 1 minus 4 3, B minus 2 1. Let us verify. For verifying this law, first of all we have to find the value of AB. 1 minus 4 3 minus 1 2 1. First row, first column. First row, first column, 1 into minus 1. First row, second column, 1 into 2. First row, third column, 1 into 1. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 1. Third row, first column, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 2. 3 into 1. So what will be the value? Minus 1. 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3, right? This is the value of AB. What? We have to take the value of AB dash. So LHS is what? LHS is AB dash. Let us take this transpose. Minus 1, 2, 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. Right? Now, let us take RHS. RHS is what? B dash, A dash. B dash is minus 1, 2, 1. See, the transpose of the row matrix is equal to the column matrix. And the transpose of the column matrix is equal to the row matrix. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 4, minus 1 into 3. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now, next, 2 into 1, 2 into minus 4, 2 into 3. 1 into 1, 1 into minus 4, third row, second column, third row, third column. 1 into 3. See, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3, right? See these two matrices. These two matrices are same. In this way, you have proved the reversal law for the transpose, means AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. Means after taking transpose in the product, the order of the matrices will be changed. देखो पहले यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्लेस पे A आ रहा था, लेकिन ट्रांसपोज में पहले फर्स्ट प्लेस पे B आ गया. सेकेंड प्लेस पे यहाँ पर B था, यहाँ A आ गया, right? In the second part of this question, you will again verify this law for another two matrices. So you can do that part yourself. Now see problem number 6. In problem number 6, you are given a matrix A such that A is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. You have to verify that A dash A is equal to I. So let us calculate. A dash is what? Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. It is multiplied by A. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Right? First row, cos alpha into cos alpha plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Sin alpha, cos alpha plus cos alpha minus sin alpha. Second row, first column. Now second row, second column. Sin alpha plus cos alpha, cos alpha. See, this is cancelled out by this is cancelled out by this. In the first entry, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Second entry is 0, third entry is 0, fourth entry is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. And this is very well known trigonometric identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. And this is what? This is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is the result which you have to prove, right? In the second part, you are given another matrix A and you have to verify the same result. So you can do that part yourself. Now see the next part, problem number 7. A is given, you have to prove that A is a symmetric matrix. So let us find A dash. First row, 1 minus 1 by 5. It is first column. Now, first second row, minus 1 to 1. It becomes the second column. Third row, 5, 1, 3. It is the third column, right? C. There is no difference between A and A dash. Means A dash is equal to A. This implies that A is symmetric matrix. Now, in the second part, another matrix A is given. You have to prove that this A is skew symmetric matrix. Now let us see. A dash is equal to what? First row 0, 1, minus 1. Second row minus 1, 0, 1. Third row 1, minus 1, 0. I am calling rows, but I am writing in a column wise direction. Why? Because I am taking the transpose. Now take minus sign common out. 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. See, this matrix and this matrix are same. So it is equal to minus A. Means transpose of A is equal to the negative of A. This implies that A is skew symmetric matrix, right? Now see the next problem, problem number 8. What is problem number 8? Let us see. A matrix A is given in which first row is 1, 5, 6, 7. We have to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. So let us find A plus A dash. 1, 5, 6, 7. Take its transpose 1, 5, 6, 7. Add these two matrices 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 11, 6, 5, 11, 7, 7, 14. Let us take the transpose of this. A plus A dash dash. First row is 2, 11. Second row is 11, 14. Right? So A plus A dash, transpose of A plus A dash is equal to A plus A dash. This implies that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix by the definition of symmetry. Now see the next part. In the next part, you have to prove that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So let us calculate A minus A dash. 1, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, 5, 6, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. This is minus 1, this is 1, and this is again 0. Let us consider it B. Now find B dash. B dash is what? 0, minus 1, 1, 0. That can be taken out. Minus 0, 1, minus 1, 0. See, this matrix and this matrix is same. And this matrix is what? This matrix is B. And minus is out. Means B dash is equal to minus B. Means the transpose of B is equal to the negative of B. This implies that B is skew symmetric matrix. Right? B is skew symmetric matrix. और B बेटा मैट्रिक्स कौन सी थी? A minus A dash. Means A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. In this way, question number 8 is solved. In question number 9, you are given a matrix A and we have to find some values. Let us see what is the matrix A. You have to find the value of half A plus A dash. So first of all, we will find the value of A plus A dash. A is what? 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. A dash is what? 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. Now add these two matrices. 0 plus 0, 0. A minus A, 0. B minus B, 0. Right? A plus A dash is the null matrix. Now we have to find the value of half A plus A dash. So just simply multiply each entry by half. Since each entry is 0, so there is no effect of multiplying by half. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the null matrix. See the difference between this and this. This is the number 0 and this is the matrix 0. we have to find one more thing, half of a minus a dash, right? First of all, we will find a minus a dash. Let us see. The value of a is 0 ab minus a 0 c minus b minus c 0, and take minus 0 minus a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0. This is the value of a dash. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, a माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा बेटा 2a, b और यहाँ पर भी माइनस है यहाँ पर भी माइनस है मीन्स 2b माइनस a माइनस 2a 0 0 0, this is 2c, this is minus 2b, this is minus 2c and this is 0, right? Now we have to find the value of half a minus a dash. So let us see, half a minus a dash. Just simply multiply 1 by 2 in each entry. 0, a, b, minus a, 0, c, minus b, minus c, 0. And this value is what? This is the matrix A. Means half of a minus a dash is equal to A. Okay. Now see the next problem. Problem number 10. In problem number 10, there are 4 parts. I will do only one part. On a similar manner, you can do other parts. Right? Let us see. I am doing the second part. In second part, I have to express this as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let us take it equal to A. You have proved in theorem that A can be written as A is equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. Right? This part is symmetric part, this part is skew symmetric part. So let us find half of A plus A dash, half 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus A dash. A dash is what? First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column, right? Take this bracket, half 6 6 12 minus 4 4 minus 4 6 minus 2 2 2 4 minus 1 minus 2 3 3 6, right? Simply multiply 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. You can prove this is the symmetric matrix. Okay, half A plus A dash. Give it name B. Right? Now find A minus A dash. A minus A dash is what? 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3. I think all entries become 0. 6 minus 6 0 minus 2 plus 2 0. All entries will be 0. Okay. So half of A minus A dash is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Right? And this is a skew symmetric matrix. You can prove it easily. Let us take it is equal to C. And if I will add B and C, then what will you get? You can verify when you will add B and C, you will get E, right? Where B is symmetric and C is skew-symmetric. This is how we can express a square matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. इसमें बेटा skew-symmetric part 0 क्यों आया? इसका क्या रीजन है? इसका रीजन ये है बेटा कि ये जो मैट्रिक्स आपको दी हुई थी, ये मैट्रिक्स ऑलरेडी सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स थी. सी देखो, यहाँ पर भी -2 है, यहाँ पर भी -2, दोनों एंट्री सेम है. यहाँ पर भी 2 है, यहाँ पर भी 2 है, ये भी दोनों एंट्री सेम है, ये भी दोनों एंट्री सेम है. ठीक है, ये जब एंट्री सेम है मींस द मैट्रिक्स A इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. दैट्स व्हाई इज स्क्वायर इज इट्स स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक पार्ट इज 0. ओके, अगर कोई नॉर्मल मैट्रिक्स होती जो सिमेट्रिक या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक ना हो, उसमें दोनों पार्ट्स की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू जरूर आती है, राइट? बट प्रोसीजर यही है किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक पार्ट को कैलकुलेट करने का. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 11. In problem number 11, you are given that A and B are two symmetric matrix, means A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B, because both are the symmetric matrix. Then what can you say about AB minus BA? Is it symmetric or skew symmetric? To check the symmetry, let us take its transpose. AB minus BA dash, it's equal to AB dash minus BA dash. Using reversal law, B dash A dash minus A dash B dash. The value of B dash is B, value of A dash is A, B. Now take minus, common out, it's AB minus BA. Means the transpose of AB minus BA is equal to the negative of AB minus BA. This implies that AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Your right option is option A. This is a multiple choice question. Right option will be A. Now let us see the last problem of this exercise. Problem number 12. You are given a matrix A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. You are given one more thing, A plus A dash is equal to I. So put the value of A, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, right? And it is equal to the identity. Identity is what? 1 0 0 1. Cos alpha कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 2 cos alpha and minus sin alpha and sin alpha cancel out, so it becomes 0 0 cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Now use the concept of equality of two matrices. Two matrices are equal when the corresponding entries are equal. Its first entry is 2 cos alpha, its first entry is 1. So 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. This implies that cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. And what is the angle alpha? When cosine of that angle is 1 by 2. Alpha is what? Alpha is pi upon 3. Right? Your right option is right option B. Okay. In this way, your exercise 3.3 is completed. Now, if you have any query, any doubt in this exercise, you can tell me in the comment section. And PDF of the solution of this exercise is given in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.